A dirty headliner can make your car look messy and unhygienic. Cleaning it helps your car's interior stay fresh, neat, and well maintained for a longer time. Steam cleaning removes dirt, stains, and odors from your car's headliner by using hot steam to lift the grime without soaking the fabric. It is a safe, chemical-free way to clean and refresh the fabric. Before you start cleaning, gather a soft bristled brush, microfiber towels, an upholstery cleaner, and a vacuum cleaner. First, use a microfiber towel to gently clean the area, removing surface dust and debris. Then, utilize an air compressor to blow out any remaining dirt or stains from the headliner, ensuring a thorough, gentle cleaning. For light stains, spot cleaning is an effective method. Spray a small amount of fabric cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and gently dab the stained area. Avoid spraying the cleaner directly on the headliner, as this might oversaturate it. After dabbing, use a dry part of the cloth to remove any moisture. For larger or darker stains, mix a small amount of upholstery cleaner with water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the stains and scrub with a brush. Then, use steam to break down the stains on the headliner. Finally, use a microfiber towel to clean any remaining residue. Continue this process until the stain is fully removed. After spot cleaning the stains, spray upholstery cleaner on a clean microfiber towel and gently wipe the entire headliner in small sections. Avoid soaking the fabric and use a damp towel to remove any leftover cleaner. Once you have finished cleaning, let the headliner dry completely. If possible, park your car in a sunny, well-ventilated spot with the windows open to help it dry naturally. Fabric cleaner removes dirt, stains, and odors from your car's interior. It helps keep the fabric looking fresh and clean. Chemical Guy's Foaming Citrus Fabric Cleaner effectively removes dirt, stains, and grime from upholstery and fabrics. It uses natural citrus-based ingredients for a safe, eco-friendly clean. It produces a thick foam that lifts dirt, making it easy to wipe away. So, by following the right steps and using the right tools, you can keep your car's interior looking clean and new for years to come.